Hey guys, it's your boy Brian back with another video. Today guys, we're gonna be making spicy prawn spaghetti. Of course, guys, this is gonna taste great. But what you need to do first, guys, put some water in a pot and put it on the stove. When it's boiling, put the spaghetti inside the bowl so the spaghetti can cook, guys. Don't leave the spaghetti in there too long, just until it's cooked. We don't want it to start falling apart. And add some salt for some flavoring to give the spaghetti some nice flavor. So this shouldn't take too long. So what you want to do next is dice green onions very finely. Make sure they're very small because you don't want big chunks of green onions in there. So make sure they're really tiny and thin. Also, you're gonna need some garlic. So I just minced it with the knife, cut it very short. You don't want big chunks. You want nice, evenly spread out flavor, guys. What's next? You want to get what's it called? I forgot what it's called. Wow. But whatever it is, guys, you want to put some olive oil in there. It doesn't really matter what type you use. I like to use avocado oil. It's healthier, that's why I use it, guys. But you can use whatever type you want. Just put that in there. I put a little bit too much, but don't make the same mistake I made. And what you want to do next, make sure you turn on your heat and let that heat up. When the oil is nice and hot, guys, go ahead and put in your garlic. I like putting it in like this because the garlic gives it some nice flavor. So when you will put in your vegetables or a green onion, it has that nice garlicky flavor, nice, beautiful, tasty, handsome flavor. That's what you want, guys, and that's exactly what you want for this spicy prawn spaghetti. So yeah. Now, guys, you want to put in the shrimp. Make sure it's nice and cooked. So when it gets cooked like halfway done or like all the way, depending on you, you can go ahead and add in the green onion, guys. If you hear some of the background noise, it's not my fault. Sorry. Yeah. So I'll get back to you when. Yeah. So guys, after the shrimp is cooked, I put in some paprika, but you can add in any spicy thing that you want. I also added behind camera, I added some Creole seasoning. If you don't know what that is, I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get it. I mean, it's not really, you can get it at Walmart. So yeah, I put that in and gave it that nice flavor. Also, I added Old Bay seasoning just to give it that little, you know what I mean, that little seafood flavor. Yeah, nice little seafood flavor, guys. You know the vibes. Yep. So that's me putting in the Old Bay seasoning. Now let's move on, So now, guys, I'm adding a little green onion. The green onion that I diced, guys. Give it that nice flavor. I know you're gonna like it, so without a doubt you're gonna like it. Come on now, I'm making it. Okay. Look at that nice green looking flavor. So guys, I kind of messed up. I forgot to put the Worcester sauce, which you will also be needing, but I put it in after and still got that nice flavor, guys. But don't forget your Worcester sauce. It's originally supposed to be soy sauce, but you can use Worcester as a what's it called, replacement. Yeah, substitution as a substitution. So that's what I went ahead and did, and it tastes pretty. So guys, that's me putting in the spaghetti. It tastes pretty good. And I also, like I said, I forgot to put the Worcestershire sauce, but that's when I put it. And it's looking pretty good, guys. It tastes great and it looks magnificent. Look at those beautiful shrimp in there. That green onion looking fine. Spaghetti, amazing, guys. Come on, man. I know you like what you see. If you do, leave us that like, man. Subscribe. And you're gonna see us putting it on the plate. It's gonna look wonderful. Look at this. Look at this over here. Nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Easy to make. That's what we strive to do, guys. To show you how to make easy things. You don't always need to eat out. You can eat in your own house, in the comfort of your own home, guys. Look at that beautiful, steaming hot spaghetti, but not just any spaghetti. Spicy prawn spaghetti, guys. Look at those shrimps, wonderful. So, like I was saying, if you like the video, guys, don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and most definitely don't forget to comment down below. Wow, this looks so amazing. So I'm about to go eat that wonderful food. Hope you're having as much luck as I was having. Oh, I almost forgot. I also put some more paprika on top, just for extra flavor, guys. You don't have to do this. Bye bye.
Get you there, I bet.